The LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A32 5G for Boost Mobile. So the Galaxy A32 has been out on Boost Mobile for almost a month now. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A32 is worth checking out. So it's currently on sale for $199.99. The full retail price of the A32 is $279.99. So this is $80 off. So there's the phone right there. Very nice and funky, and so yeah, that's how you change around knobs. You have power and 9 keys on the other side of the phone there. On the back of the A32 is your triple camera along with your yeah, it's actually 4 cameras on the back here, and the camera flash, you got 2 cameras over here and that one right here, and the camera flash underneath the back. And you guys have some camera on the back as well. And then on the my cell phone has a line piece power button. That's also your fingerprint sensor as well. And there's back of it again. On the left side of the phone is your micro SD and SIM card slot. There's the back of it again there. So the Galaxy A32 5G offers our best core features and one of the most affordable 5G devices on the market. That means you get a long-lasting battery, expandable storage, multiple cameras, a super crisp display, and blazing fast 5G speeds. So the Galaxy A32 has a 6.52-inch display, 48 megapixel rear-facing camera, 41 hour talk time, 64 gigabytes of storage, and Android 11 with one UI 3.1. I think it is. 3.1. So yeah. So of course, how it works is, what it today, wait for your phone to arrive. They get a phone inactivated online, simple enough. So I do like how they got this thing going on for the Samsung devices. They usually do this with the iPhone devices every year, but now they did it with the Samsung Galaxy A32 here, so it's like more detailed and whatnot. The Galaxy A12 doesn't have this. But it says they say hello to one of the most affordable 5G phones in the market. Of course, it's missed on point. It's 5G. Of course, it's really bigger than 5G for cheap. So that's a win. Power to stay connected. 5,000 mAh battery. 15 watt adaptive fast charger. Life happened on the go. Keep up with Galaxy A32 5G. Long mission 5,000 mAh battery and super quick fast charging. Smooth scrolling up ahead. A fast and reliable processor makes your 5G trends virtually lag free. I don't know what game is showing here. I don't know. Sorry about that. So yeah. Says give your memory a boost. Galaxy A32 5G comes with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, plus an expandable memory that lets you keep up to 1 terabyte more. You got an octa-core processor, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage with micro SD card expansion up to 1 terabyte. So they take advantage of that. Awesome camera down south, and you do get 5 cameras total, 4 in the back, 1 in the front. So I'll tell you guys what the camera lenses are here. So it's very nice. You guys have a 48 megapixel main camera with the f1.8 aperture lens, and then an ultra wide 8 megapixel camera with the f2.2 aperture lens. Then you have a depth sensor at 2 megapixels with an f2.4 aperture lens, and then you have a macro lens on the side of it there with the which is a 5 megapixel macro lens there with the f2.4 aperture. So pretty cool there. Bold crisp colors, edge to edge. The expensive 6.5 inch HD Plus Infinity View This bike was made for your driven pleasure. So it's 6.52 inches. Understated elegance meet modern minimalism. The Galaxy A32 5G minimalist design aesthetic is simple, clean, and delightfully modern. Galaxy A32 5G specs. Like I said, this is a decent. So this is a budget smartphone. Galaxy specs and have pretty good. Should down 75,000 mAh battery, 41 hours of talk time, 9 removable battery, 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage, micro SD card expansion, up to 1 TB. You have a MediaTek processor that's an MT6852, 2 GHz optical processor, Android 11. 4 cameras in the rear, 48 megapixel, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro lens and 2 megapixel touch sensor in the rear, and then a 13 megapixel front facing camera, 6.52 inch HD plus infinity video display, 7.8 by 1600 pixels, 269 ppi. Dimensions for the Galaxy A32 is 6.46 inches height, 3 inches width, 0.36 inches depth. The Galaxy A32 is 7.23 ounces. Your connectivity options for the A32 has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, USB Type-C, NFC. Other features, fast charging. So that's pretty cool. So you do get a 15-watt charger in the box, I believe. So what comes in the box is a Samsung Galaxy A32 5G prepaid smartphone, travel adapter, ejection pin, quick start guide, data cable, and that's pretty much it for the box. You guys need to learn how to use the Galaxy A32. Beach Mobile has you covered with device support with that. So it says they want to know everything there is to know about this phone, and everything from setting up your email to managing all of your internet applications. So device support is a good tool to check out if you guys need help with your phone. So check that out. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, now available at Beach Mobile, currently on sale at $80 off. It's $199.99. For retail price is $279.99. So if you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone, the Galaxy A32 is worth checking out. It does have pretty good specs for what it is. So if you guys want a 5G phone for cheap, this is the phone to check out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up because it really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.